ये मैं नहीं मानता हूँ कि ये गलत है कि मेरा कंपैरिजन हो अपने पिता से, क्योंकि अगर मैं भी एक बहुत महान कलाकार को मैं फैन हूँ उनका, तो अगर उनका बेटा फिल्मों में आए तो मैं भी सीधा कंपेयर करूंगा उनके पिता के साथ। तो ये बहुत स्वाभाविक है, इसमें कोई गलती नहीं।
Remember how time and again we see Akshay Khanna's reels on our feeds talking about being happy while being alone? Well, he was just a toddler when one of Bollywood's most shocking exits took place. The exit of Akshay's dad. At the peak of superstardom, when women were set to faint at his side and producers queued up outside his house, Vinod Khanna walked away from everything. Films, fame, even family.
Ladies and gentlemen, big hand for this great man.
In the early 1980s, Vinod Khanna wasn't just a star. He was the star. Handsome, successful, powerful. And then, almost overnight, he shaved his head, donned saffron robes, and left for Osho's ashram in Oregon in 1982. No farewell tour, no one last film, just silence. He left behind his first wife, Geetanjali Khanna, and their 2 sons, including a young Akshay Khanna who grew up largely without his father around.
You see, marriage is again a very personal issue. As an institution, I disagree with it. You see, because most of the marriages today are not really working out.
Why did he do it? According to Osho's close aides and interviews with Vinod Khanna, he was searching for inner peace and personal meaning. Despite fame and money, he was struggling with marital issues, dissatisfaction, and a restless mind. The ashram offered meditation, discipline, and a spiritual path that Bollywood could not. Inside the commune, Vinod Khanna wasn't a superstar anymore. He washed dishes, he cleaned toilets. He became Swami Vinod Bharti, a follower, not a hero.
नहीं मैं एक स्वामी विनोद भारती के हैसियत से आया और
His marriage fell apart. His children grew up with emotional distance, and the industry moved on. After Osho's death in 1990, Vinod Khanna returned. No longer the romantic hero, but a changed man. Older, calmer, softer.
मैं बेशक मुंबई तो आया लेकिन मैं पंजाब दा बंदा।
He started again. Character roles, politics, public service.
के बारे में पता चला, इन्होंने खुद ऑफर किया कि मैं आता हूं आपकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में आपके कैंपेन के लिए।
Slowly, he rebuilt what he could, including relationships with his sons. Later in life, he got married a second time, this time to Kavita Khanna. Akshay Khanna would later say his father's absence shaped him deeply, making him introspective, private, almost withdrawn. Vinod Khanna never denied the pain his choice caused, but he also never apologized for seeking meaning beyond fame. For him, the question was simple: what is success if your soul feels empty?
More.